As a homeowner, there are numerous responsibilities and tasks to keep your property in top condition. From regular maintenance to occasional repairs, ensuring a smooth operation of your home system is crucial. While most homeowners focus on visible aspects such as plumbing fixtures, electrical wiring, and roofing, one often overlooked yet vital component is the sewer line. Neglecting the sewer line can lead to costly and messy issues down the line. Today, we will explore the importance of checking your sewer line and the benefits it brings to homeowners. Preventing blockages and clogs. One of the primary reasons to check your sewer line is to prevent blockages and clogs. Over time, debris, tree roots, grease, and other materials can accumulate in the sewer line, hindering the proper flow of wastewater. As a result, you may experience slow drainage, foul odors, or even sewage backups. Regular inspections and maintenance can help detect potential blockages early on, allowing you to take preventative measures before a major problem arises. Costly repairs. Addressing sewer line issues promptly can save you from costly repairs in the future. Ignoring early warning signs such as gurgling sounds or frequent backups may lead to more severe problems like sewer line collapse or pipe damage. These situations often necessitate extensive evacuation and replacement, resulting in significant financial burdens. By conducting regular sewer line checks, you can identify minor issues and perform timely repairs, minimizing the risk of expensive repairs down the road. Protecting property value. A well-maintained sewer line contributes to the overall value and appeal of your property. When it comes time to sell your home, potential buyers will appreciate the knowledge that the sewer line is in good condition. A comprehensive sewer line inspection report can provide reassurance and install confidence in the buyer's decision, potentially resulting in a higher selling price. Conversely, neglecting sewer line maintenance may raise concerns and deter potential buyers, leading to a lower property valuation. Ensuring health and safety. A compromised sewer line can pose significant health and safety risks to you and your family. Sewage backups can introduce harmful bacteria and pathogens into your living environment, exposing you to waterborne diseases. Moreover, leaks from damaged pipes can contribute to mold growth, further exacerbating health hazards. Regularly checking your sewer line allows you to identify and resolve potential health risks promptly, ensuring the well-being of your household. Environmental risks and responsibility. A damaged sewer line can have adverse effects on the environment. Leaking wastewater may contaminate nearby soil and water sources, harming ecosystems and wildlife. By proactively maintaining your sewer line, you play a part in environmental preservation. Regular inspections and repair help prevent leaks and reduce the chance of pollution, contributing to a sustainable and eco-friendly living environment. If you're dealing with clogged drains or backed up sewer lines, give the Admiral experts a call today. You do not want to hold off on making sure that your sewer lines and your drain pipes are running smoothly. So give the Admiral experts a call today at 385-474-9998.